everyone, it's Clint with Clint's Classic World. Talking to you today, got a call on a Mopar that's for sale. So jumped in my Honda because it's fuel efficient. It's not, eating up all the gas like my Mopars do. But in the Honda, heading out to take a look at a Challenger, a 1970 Challenger. So hope to be there soon. Take a look at it because I hear this car is for sale. Stay tuned because here it comes. Subscribe to my channel. Well, let's see. It should be around the corner here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. What do we got here? There it is. Yep. Look, check this out. All right. It's a Challenger TA, 1970 Challenger TA. Wow. There it is. Check this out. Stainless steel still there. Oh man, look at the inside here. Let's see if we can open it. Interior, wow, white interior. Wow, ooh, plum crazy purple, everyone. Wow. Yep, it looks like a white interior car. Challenger TA. Automatic on the floor. Wow. You can see purple on the outside of this car. It does have a little rust, but hey, these cars are old and vintage, so they need to be restored. Very cool car though. Let's open this side here. Yeah, door sticker. Definitely purple everywhere. Wow. Gauges. Again, here's the center console. The rear seats are in it. Yep. VIN number. Check it out. Fender tags. Trans Am fender tag. Cool. And it is a FC7 plum crazy purple car. TA hood there. Wow. Of course, it has the factory front powered disc brakes, K-frame, sway bars present. See the numbers in here, stamped. .340 block. I was told that this actually has a TA block in it. I was told that they don't have the VIN number stamped on them, but it is a TA block. And it does, there's no stamping for VIN is what I was told. That looks like possibly the original carburetor setup. Pretty cool. kind of tough to see, but you can see right there the numbers stamped on the cowl. That lower spoilers. Let's look underneath it here. Frame rails look pretty solid. Wow. Torque boxes. Looks like a solid vehicle. Look at the undercarriage here. Wow. Pretty solid. Here's under the back of the car on the TA. I was told that the trunk does need to be replaced. Springs. Look at that. Rear sway bar is intact. That's cool. Looks like a very complete car. Wow. Very complete car to build and restore. A plum crazy Challenger, 1970 Challenger TA. Wow. Let's take another look here at the floors. Look at that. That's the rear seat floors. Okay, here's the front. There's kind of a glare in here, but there is some rust. You can see here the front looks like it may need to be replaced. Front floor, but it's still there, it's intact. Just have to blast it and see, but it's intact. Let's look at the other side. Here's the floor on the driver's side. It's hard to tell, there's a lot of carpet and stuff, but again, you have to pull all that up, take a closer gander, take a look at it. And it's intact. And look at that, it's there, so it might be pretty solid. Got a little bit of pitting in the back, but that's pretty solid. So let's think, unless somebody replaced anything in here, it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell right there, but still pretty cool car. Again, folks, this vehicle is for sale. This 1970 Dodge Challenger TA. It is for sale. I'm gonna posting this right now, probably in text for you, so that you can see the pricing and who to contact. So give them a call if you're interested in this car. A pretty cool car found, a 1970 Challenger TA, plum crazy purple, white interior. Very, very cool. With that said, subscribe to my channel. Don't crush them, restore them. And I'll see you next time.